talk to me face to face, or Kukibo. Stop hiding behind cameras. Stop hiding around people. When you see me in events, don't run away. Do you know that this bitch, one day we were flying on a plane and we are all on business class. This girl waited outside until we all boarded the plane. The last person to board the plane was her. And then when she entered, she started making calls, calling her. I don't know who she was calling on the phone. And she was putting the camera behind me to see where I was sitting. Nigga, I'm not even friends with you. Why are you so obsessed with me? Why are you obsessed with me? Why are you obsessed with me? You won't make friendship with me. Come close. Come tell me, Angela, I like you so much. I want us to be friends. Stop being an enemy. Stop being a confused admirer. Because that's who you are. Because you're always with you. You're always in competition. I'm not always in competition. I want people living just real life, like on a low key. You know what I mean? I don't keep. If you see me, I don't keep friends in the industry. In the industry, I don't keep friends in the industry because push music. That legit you hear over there, I put in over 300 million naira in it. That legit. No hating, no discriminating, no eating. The money I spend for only my skin routine is more expensive. It's higher than her artist fee. Can I say that again for the people at the back to hear? Yes. Can I say that to the people at the back to hear?
One more time.
Listen, the money I spend for my skin routine is more higher than your so-called black bitch artist fee. Yeah. Please tell them. Let me tell you something. If you know you got a problem with me, come to me. Yeah, tell her I said so. Tell Mercy I said she should go and apologize to people she has wronged. It's better. Apologizing to people you have wronged is better than evil, but I've forgiven her. I've forgiven her. God knows from my heart I have. And I really honestly feel for her, and I want the best for her. I want her to win. And for real, the kind of sickness they told me she has is not something I would ever want to wish any of my enemies. And today, I've forgiven her. And I would not want to say anything that has to do with her. You know, sometimes these bloggers, they're...
So hi my loves, this is what happened. So Destiny Etiko was trying to gather her bundles of money to spray Ruby on her wedding. So that's how the MC also recognized Angela Okorie, that she made appearance in the wedding, and she also sang in the wedding, as you can see in the video. So when she was mentioned, I think it wasn't balancing enough with Destiny Etiko. According to what I was seeing in the media, I think they were not really talking to each other. So she now had to pack the money back and went back to where she was. And I learned she later came back and then gave her the money. But what people were just saying is that, okay, why wasting all these times? Why don't you just spray her, show the maturity, spray the money and then leave? But she couldn't stand it. She just left. So a lot of people were just having so many opinions about this situation that happened. Do you understand? So when of course that thing that happened, people have already carried the video straight online. So I'm sure Angela Okorie saw the video online and then decided to post something. Immediately she saw this. So she came and wrote, "When light walks in, darkness disappears. Light and darkness have nothing in common. I am light, and when I walk into a place, my presence overshadows every evil. Hashtag legit win for a reason." As if that was not enough, so she now made video about it and also had to mention Mr. Johnson, that she has forgiven Mr. Johnson and all of that. She has to apologize to others she has offended, that she heard she's sick and all of that. You can, just like you heard in the previous video I played. So Regina took that video, as you see, and posted in her story not quite long ago. "I'm sorry, and with all due respect, Auntie Angela, you dey mad. I beg no forgive, because for this side they forgive. Continue, and while it's at it, no forget say she gets a daughter who is gallant and all of that." So it wasn't really funny, and this June is going to be a long ride. So Angela responded sharp. She was like, "Me, I just think every young girl wey go school supposed get sense, especially a child with a proper home training. If you like this like me, just pause this place and read everything she said." Even gave her warning. And then she said again, they don't push small Regina to come talk for them. Regina, where Messi day those years where you did come at my house while growing up, you said you want to be like me and all of that. You can go through these things. Now this feud is getting messier. What do you actually think, guys? What do you really think?